What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm going to share with you. You see me? TikTok lawyer and I think Dan, them a talk about Daima and figure it out compared to Rosalie and Akeem. So, I say, them a say Rosalie and Akeem more interesting. So, them prefer that, the series there. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to make you hear what them have to say. I want to tell more what you think in the comment section. We also have Annie confront the youth name Eldino. You see me? Cause Annie has said she a hear from different people say Eldino insinuate say them do something. You know what I mean? Like they add sex. You see me? So Annie wanna know the real facts before she done him. So she link with him on live and we now got hear the result, my people. See? We also have Lando a crash out. That's what I say. We also have Anna a crash out also. You see me? We have a bunch of things to share. I don't know if I left out nothing with people because Anna I talk about the whole this youth here we want to claim our youth. You know what I mean? That our youth when you we want to claim Wilbert. So she says she want to give Wilbert who, you know what I mean? She want to have control over who she say I daddy. You know what I mean? But I know so it go. If the man have a small even inkling say, yo, I'm my youth that I want to find out if a female youth, she can't stop him from, you know what I mean, take her to court if I so be case. You know what I mean? And if them, because them say, it thing call up already and she, a bunch of things with people. Because I must have followed the story. Seeing so, yo, we're going to get united now with people. Let me know what you think.
If you want, bro, me nah say certain things to you, bro, if you try to feel no way, bro. There's no way me I go do certain things if you try to feel no way, brother. That is the whole thing, bro. Anything where you can talk to me private too, bro. You know,
anybody, so I'm not talk to you this morning.
No, you see, I see all this escalate to reach us, so you know disappoint you. If you want, when I say it, brother, I say, two me say me name and two now make come and know I go start up, brother. But just say feel it, bro. When they say add RT, me I say no, I'm not add RT, no, because I can't bother with it. Everybody say add RT, me say add RT for what? Say RT, how long it take him for me come over here? Ask him how long. If he me you think can tell you how long
it's not a fact about the begging, guys. It's a fact about the baby I get a real job. And none of them care. Not one of them in the box.
Don't say nobody don't care, Annie.
You understand me? You do not business about the child.
Because I know nobody not drag the baby. You understand?
The baby, when I talk about the baby, he might talk about
he's not getting a DNA test. Annie. Nobody not drag the baby or anything. And they cannot disrespect anybody over here like that.
No, who asked, man? Who asked?
Go ahead, Odin.
Good.
Yeah, come on. At the end of the day, Annie, whether it's his or not, at least he might do this to get a piece of mind. I understand why you have to keep it off the internet, yes. But a lot of times he probably reach out to you and say stuff and you brought it to the internet as well.
Reach out to who? Who reach out to?
You just said you guys spoke.
Me him talk this morning, miss. When me take how much time to see him. And this morning,
that still mean reaching out, Annie.
But we talk good this morning. So
but
I think I'm come over here so we have agreements.
Okay, I don't know the agreement that you guys have, right? But I'm saying to you that even if him look the support to get the help to push forward, listen me, him cannot look at now if he find out that him him go push it out to make sure that him kid that get taken care of. If it's not for him, child, it's just not for him, he move on and him life go on. At least he have a peace of mind. I understand when I say you don't want it on the internet, but guess what? It's already on the internet. Anyone look some help. I understand your daughter probably there in a one state of mind right now as well. But also you can hear some almost a breakdown on the first me hear go breakdown.
Miss, me hear what you say. See you look hypocrite in the comment section and come like on the politician boss. And I never take the opinion and give to Redans because she knows she no Redans baby. And I still not give audience the baby and I take care of her baby. Like literally. So now talk about give man jacket. But she take care of her child at the end of the day.
And me a talk. Me a reason woman to woman. No pay them no mind. At the end of the day, I understand so it's frustrating to Anna, right? And she probably go in a problem where Daniel is concerned because we see what's happening on the internet. But I'm saying, if him can get help You rather I'm getting help privately more than publicly because of Anna's status where Redance is concerned? Annie?
Yes, sorry, I kind of plug out, you know, they going on one different
I understand. Okay, guys, me I got tell on us, please be respectful. Please.
Guys, so now keep the comment clean or else me I go sub the
not
chat.
Get blocked or something.
Or me I go sub the
and
chat.
Nobody disrespect nobody over here. Alright, honey, me and your reason. Right? We understand what's going on. And obviously, they know in our mental state right now, because I could hear my breakdown in voice, right? As me I say, if it can deal privately, yes, make it deal privately. Most of the time when me see him come up, me not really see him come up about this. You understand? Most of the time, like people are literally like a dip on if you hear me say two things pertaining to this. And no one was bringing down the baby, but I understand why I say it due to Anna where Redance is concerned, because maybe it's a little bit ignorant when certain topic is people are vice on certain topic. I understand that. But then again, you're saying that if him come now and ask help, or him go stand up and take up his responsibility if I feel it. If he is the father, trust me. If him push out so much effort to find out, me knows and I go out there and hustle to take care of him family. Okay then, and again, and I know most want him in a baby life, but him deserve a fair chance to know if a child is his or not.
So my question, right, because I'm kind of done somebody there at the back of the class, I'm that slow. So like when I'm interested and I'm try for so long, how much of the money you come up with?
How much money came up with already?
Yeah, like when I try for so long.
Okay, so we were in the process of doing that when you came up. Kim, can you mute, please?
And another thing,
Me?
I wanted to say something. In this process, it seems as though we are talking about a situation where a child is involved, right? There was no time over here that we mentioned the child. We're not mentioning the child. The child is being mentioned because the child is a part of the equation, not as a bring down. We want to make that clear. We're not dragging your daughter or the child in no way at all, and we wouldn't stand to anyone over here doing that. The fact of the matter is, he's trying to raise the money for the DNA because he started the process already. So the fact that the process has been started, he wants to follow through on it. Whether the child is his or not, he's being a man. He says it's a possibility that it's his and he wants to follow through. So we're at the place now where we are getting him the money to do the DNA, to settle both your daughter's nerve, because this must be hard on her too. To settle her nerves and to settle him, the DNA is the best way to do that going forward. There's no other way to put your daughter's mind at ease than to give a DNA for that baby. That's the only way right now that we can settle her mind and her thoughts. Imagine what she is going through as a young adult. Imagine her, she's a female.
Imagine the leader where she
caught between
them where the madman where she there with him.
But I thought the madman moved
But they're not together,
right?
they moved
Imagine
out.
we talk
She's
to
not
Onion this
living
morning
there.
and we have a good conversation. So we're gonna keep this private and make it work out the best way possible.
But I mean, it's obvious that privately he cannot afford. But he can't afford privately to come up with the money for the DNA privately. So he's seeking assistance. The sooner him get the money, the quicker it's done.
Kim, give me a talk, please. Give me a talk, please. Alright, for one, now I get something straight. Alright, for one, me wasn't the one to ask nothing this morning. And if who they are there, know. Listen, this morning, Coffee, mother said to me, say, Coffee, me don't call her name, me not use mother. Mother said, come up on that box, and she started say, oh dear. No, me nah stop, me nah listen to nobody, no.
People, me not tell you no lie. Me the thing say, all of this did over and done with. Me never know say these things still are go on. You see me I say, big man thing. Me check said it over and done with too long, me not hear about it. And if you see it come up back on the floor, boy, me no know, tell me one thing. Because as me said before in a multiple videos, me have TikTok as entertainment. You see me? Big man thing. So let me know what you think or what some more.
text me for this, please.
Hey, let me tell you something, I can leave that quote here, because believe you me, I will blaze in the comment section and a drunk.
Annie, you don't have to leave. Guys.
No wish you all alone. Remember,
Hold on. Annie, hold on, Annie.
Wait, I don't want to discuss them people over here.
Annie, they're going to fix it. Annie, wait. Tamika.
You lock off.
Okay.
Bro, jump. Me want to explain it, bro, because...
Annie, send back your request.
Moderator, hold on, audience. Lock off the moderator. Lock off a comment for me.
Me lock off the comment.
No, me still see it.
Yeah, I see it too, Lisa. I'm seeing it too. Stop the chat. Stop the chat. Lisa, stop.
You can, Odin, you can speak. I know they're listening, so you could speak.
Alright, for one, this morning...
Look at the comment for me.
You see, me say something, please. Alright, me tell her all this stuff. This morning, remember enough. She said she come to me and talk to me about something about on the internet, this, you know. Once you go back to certain things, people are going to bring it up back, you know.
RT, don't take a minute. You may just put it on sub. It don't take 1 minute to take you off.
Once you start about certain things,
audience, hold on, no, man. Listen to me, no, man. Me no want no sub.
I try to tell us that you're not going to take you off so fast. You have to give 1 minute to take you off back.
All right,
you can't just turn you on and turn you off.
Take off the sub and just turn off the comment for a while, but me no want no sub.
Hold on, let me take you off. Let me take you off. Hold on.
Continue. We are listening to audience. Meanwhile, she do.
Alright, for one. Alright, when I start about something, alright, so when he come to me about it this morning and say you should get paper or whatever not. Alright. Remember, you know, up on the internet, you know, bro. They call me, if I text me on my phone, nobody would know that. For me, in another talking with nobody. Remember, good.
What's the phone that I ring? May I hear you?
You see me? Alright, for one, you say it to me on the internet, bro. I respond to you. You say, alright, I understand. I say, I never did know so she get a paper. Right? They are the life I build up. Remember, it's a situation we've been in on for months, bro. The people them go put interest towards it, bro. People start sending requests and go up in their box. They say, oh, they don't leave that low it alone. Continue the process, they don't reach far. So I say, alright then, since I don't want to continue the process, contribute to it because I can't spend everything on me have, bro. My life I go good on. Me can get everything on me have, bro. Cause me been a do it, bro. The amount of money I spend on this by myself. With no help from nobody at all. Me not take no help from no boy or no girl. Me not take no help from nobody. A way after when me say me really want, me go want the help, cause me never know it will take so much. At this so me take the help. Me never jump up and take no help from nobody just so. Even this morning when the master me say, bro, me not beg nobody. No, I'm not that type of guy, bro. Cause me know nobody if have nothing over my head. I saw me stay, bro, me grow different charging. The consistency audience. Put your shyness aside, bro. Do what you have to do. Just get this thing done. Forget your peace of mind, bro. Me never did come on. Me no bring down up. Me no come with no baby talking, bro. Me no come with none of that, bro. More me over there. Me I say what me I say. They say talk to RT. Me say alright then. Then say no. Me say alright then. Give it some time. Let me think about it.
Alright, that gone now. Annie gone. Alright, Annie gone. She's vice fair opinion. So we take it from there, so no. So you and the people them finish tracking it out. Alright. So the bottom line, let me repeat for the people that want support Annie. So Annie's statement is she want him fair.
Bro, me never see that in a comment matter. Me never beg nothing, bro.
No, we're not talking about the begging. That's Annie terms. That's you and Annie terms that you clarify that. Alright, you never beg nothing for you a week come. You tell her, say me come out. Alright, we all understand that because me hear you tell her. But what I am saying now, Annie, I'm really big up to the fact that you don't disrespect her. Continue keep that composure because that is a real man energy. Yeah, you will cuss her, but you hold the composure. You say, no, this are alright, cool, me like that. Alright, now, Annie has said the data and the behavior and the man and the abusing, which is that not nothing to do with you if you are speak for your right and I can't tell her in front of her and behind her back because the truth is the truth. It not have nothing to do with you if the man go want to react. You are fight for your right. As the man, she, if you know the type of man when she take up.
Yeah, but nice. RT, me I go say something and me no know if it go sound good on your end. Me see Annie they give out $25,000 each for back to school. In a real life, if you did want to deal with the half of the media, why you not set to audience? Let me help you pay for it. Therefore, you lock out the media.
Well, maybe she not made it that way if you use fair money. She keep on elaborate and say how much money him.
Yeah, but why you go put his behalf for Anna? You understand what I mean?
Yeah, but if she would have there
and how it go?
Me wonder if one of the listen to what Annie just say a while ago. I mean, not hear no now no talk about it, what she just prove. She just say, and I know the baby is not for dance.
I heard it.
Oh, nobody not talk about that. Like it fly over everybody.
No.
Well,
Sorry to cut you. We're not talking about the baby. Let's not focus on that. We're trying to raise the money for to do the DNA. Because I heard
yeah, we overlook it. We overlook it. But what Ania say, but listen, just to emphasize what Ania say, but really, the fact Ania say no make sense to you know. Me attack the truth. Because Ania say, oh, him for deal with it. Remember the girl list. Where Ania say, me override that because that not really make no sense. Because justice is justice, and no matter only way you get it, you have to clear your name. So we just going to do the DNA test and get it over with. So my advice is, if Ania gonna say this traumatizing to the woman and the relationship, we'll get it over with.
RT, or then let them know that under summons is not Anna alone. Name the Pani. Redance is supposed to be there too because he's the legal father.
What do you mean no? What do you mean by legal father now?
His name is on the birth certificate. He signed it. He has on the summons. Then put Ali. Then put Fiar name and then put Fee full name. I two of them.
But no, uno just say on the guarantee for the calculation for no say he's not the father. So him don't know that.
Yeah, but he signed a birth certificate.
I'm signing birth paper.
Well, maybe that is why he tell me out of his mouth. He tell me yesterday out of his own mouth that he is the father.
Yeah, well, no, that's what I say. He's supposed to be a court too. It's not Anna alone.
No, yes.
He has to be there. He's on the summons. Fee name the Pani. Fee name a tree name the Pani. Fiar name, Fee name, and the baby name.
To do the DNA test to authorize it?
Yeah, because he's a legal dad. That's why the judge did send audience for the certificate. And when they get the certificate, they used to say Fee name the Pani. The guy name is on it. So that's why they write up with someone see three of them come to court.
So I don't understand. And you act like say Anna feelings alone I get hurt now this or Anna alone in a problem. She put herself in this predicament, right? And it seems like it's only fair to one side the things that them alone must come out, come talk things. Or when she mad with her daughter, she alone must come out, come talk things. And say all type of stuff. You understand?
Okay, guys.
But they not have no.
Okay, guys.
But I would like, your stylist, I would like you to
do with that money. You name it and go feed your whole blood clot family. And the careless girl where they pan your way say your minor pity, you did have to run left that. Let me tell you this straight. Me know say Annie send a little shinglets for come send me a quote. Me not afraid of no because of my blood clot picking it. You never see me so grimy yet. Me tired of it. I am tired of it. You will never, ever touch this seed, yeah. Never. I let me have to chop up a boy. No.
Alright, my people. Let me know all the things seen. Alright, look here. Anna, she never grow with for her real father. You understand me? And most of her siblings them maybe don't know for them father neither. Or me sure say them not grow with them. You know feel like say should I want to break the generational curse and make fear youth grow with them father in him life instead of fear try push the picnic upon a man we clearly not really want the youth. And even if you want the youth, you know what I mean, give the rightful man the picnic. Because you never get your rightful father either. You see me I say? So let me know what you think. We watch some more.
And me go through my blood clot belly pain. Daniel gone. So I don't give a fuck what anybody wants to say about me on this internet. RT boss me want to raise you up some blood clot money. So you can blood clot the DNA test and me want you if you come blood clot getting pussy. Every day you have to come on this app here and raise money for DNA test. And you now blood clot touch this a boy, yeah. And that me I tell you no. No found no big bumbo clap pussy girl in that chat. No can chat to me. No yet. No bumbo clap have a baby father and me want run down come put some bumbo clap toad pan. Uno not come put no man pa my picking it. Uno not stamp to a hospital. And me sit down on the live and beg on every blood clot there when you don't hear me to feed him. You hear that? You don't hear that? You will never touch this seed right here so that me, bomba clot, protect and feed. None of you no have no bomba clot right to come talk about my pity on the internet. And if me have a baby father like that, me murder you. If me have a baby father like that, me murder you. I want to know, man. Me not care if nobody no want bomba clot like me. Me, Alia Spencer. Me see my mother go through man to man. And she never have somebody did it for her. None of my father them never did it for me. None. As soon as me have my picking, you know, and me I raise my baby, me go through thick and thin with me picking it. Me go through cuss and bomba clot humiliation on TikTok. And me stand up firm as a young lady. And me see upon me one me I go do it. And someone who want come feel like you can bully me. I run to people and feel like say me gon' catch my coward. Boy, me not catch my coward. Come for me. Come for me, drunk crow. You are fucking obsessed. This is what you call obsession. This is what you call obsession. Cause if you did a one good blood clot fucking man, you would have a job and put me to blood clot shame. I'm gonna look it for your bomba clot own. You see, because you was a dirty dog piece of blood clot shit. You have the blood clot use the head for the people them because the people them did give you money if you go do the DNA test and you're near it. The people give you money for go do a DNA test and you eat it. You're near it. And because Annie come tell you say, yo, leave the little girl alone. Leave her alone. She is not in her right head. You run come on internet and feel like say me go on ball and keynote. Whoa, Daniel gone, whoa, Daniel gone, whoa. Hey boy, come nyam up me, hey, come nyam up me pussy. Me not afraid of no boy. No boy like come, yo, me dey on my own now, you know. Me dey on my blood clot own now, you know. Me not afraid of none now, you know. Me I tell you this again. And me go have my blood clot picking it. Me lay down and frig and get this little boy right here so where everybody live pan every day. No boy no have no privilege over this a girl here. RT bars come to the blood clot line. Come to the blood clot line. Come to the line so good. You see you boy. You see you RT bars. Me don't know which body hole you come out like. Can't be pussy off your body. And that me I tell you brother. From a long time, me sister, this you want. Try to set me up so you can get a big views on your fucking life. Well, congratulations. It not break this a gala. It not gonna break this bitch right here. Okay? I don't give a fuck who wanna say court, who wanna say DNA, who wanna say that. Bomba clot it been saying every fucking day. I don't give a fuck.
Morning, my people. Boy, me I catch a screen recording late to Ross, man. Me see one way say, me fuck breeding woman, breeding woman like a canteen and go fuck. So you never did know, so me care breeding woman like a canteen and go fuck. When me come up there, when you call me up there, you never did know that before. Okay. When me hear you on your screen record and me with the fucking where donkey name coming and Shrek? I forgot about donkey name. They beside you. I said to you, say, I remember when I cuss Anna on live. Donkey. You never cuss Anna too. You never put on Anna too.
Boy, my people, I not lie still, you know. And our people, them, our family, they have the internet locked about 3 months now, you know. I not lie, they have the internet busy, you know, them a go hard, you know. Boy, my blood, what a family full of drama, man. Jaja. People, let me know what they think. We watch some more.
Okay. And I never cuss me. And I no cuss me on live. And I no style me on live. And I no diss me on live. Oh, I no hear nothing about them something there. But you know if it's about me. You see a man come on the blood clot media come talk, oh, and disrespectful to me. So, oh no, all of a sudden, me not like you pitting them. Oh, all of a sudden, me I carry breed man go fuck back a container. You never did know. So me a fuck breed man back a container. When me a fuck a night time when me up there. Okay. I'm telling you, you know. When you see me answer, you know, when you see me not attack. And I push me to the limit, but me start just chat out of my blood clot mouth. When me a fuck, you never did know, so me go carry breed woman go fuck. Eh? Okay. You're kinda dark. First thing first, me did tell you say, any ring of me I didn't talk to me chat them and say any ring of me see one ring up for me I buy you. And the ring cost 60,000. Two of them for 120,000. Right? Yes. Which girl can say they want to come married to me, or which girl want to propose to me and can come to me with a $10,000 ring and $11,000 ring. Never see come see, no full no blood clot. Yeah, me never go no more no. Just I cut it right as so, you know. You understand? Yes. Me I cut it right as so. But this under my nose. I'm out. Yeah. Just I come from work. Me never wait till I reach home. So I buy some things and we're going to eat. I'll tell you something. Realize every time you come on this bumbuckler thing, yeah, I mention for my name. Or me pitney them name. Tell a ritual, like what people say, me, when my mother sick, me run left my mother feel pain and in the way there. At least me know my mother. You know you're one? You never go at your mother bumbuckler funeral more let's set up. You don't even know where your mother bury more where she live. And you got to talk about mind pitney. You know go both way. Me no work and sell blood clot, water and bag juice and send your pitney go school. So how comes you just keep on I say you send money go give me pitney? What that have to do? Me no take care of your pitney. Me no sell water and bag juice and take care of your bumbuckler pitney. And you are gonna say me tell people say them no fi gift you. Don't tell no blood clot like on me. Cause when me dey on my life, me keep on tell people and say, oh, support her same way. So don't tell no bumbuckler like on me. You hear me I tell you? No tell no lie on me. And when you talk, take me bumbuckler, pitting them name out of your mouth. Me pitting them now that fi hungry, me pitting them alright. Me pitting them a go to school and alright. If them not dead for hungry, me go thief give them bumbuckler. Cause when you come on to my pitney them, me no run joke nor play. You hear me I tell you? So me I beg you, find one next topic and come off of me bumbuckler name and me pitney them name. You hear me I tell you? Come off of me and pitney them name. Cause you only can talk about me pitney them. Talk what me do for you and your bumbuckler pitney them. Talk what me do. Think I could sacrifice me make? If you take care of you and your pitney them? Big and small? Think I could blood class sacrifice me make? Tell one time me I said to you say, boy them are people like supermarket. They're supposed to know me. Cause every bumbuckler at evening me go supermarket and make sure I buy things for home. That's them can get. Come off of my name. Here. I may have enough more can talk. Come off of my name. Come off and pick the name. Live your life. When I talk to me upon live all ball. Ball last night what? Ball for what? For who? Ball over spoiled milk? Cause suck your mother too. I won't know.
It's a part of them work, is content. Them content creators. All of these characters we fall in love with on them movies, them movie. They're not real. And some kid with them somebody we fall in love with say, oh my god, we love so and so relationship. But a movie them I want a series. So it's like a series we watch. It's the same thing, but it's just that it happened in a real time. Yeah. These people we fall in love with their relationship. That don't mean say real.
We like we watch Netflix. We watch all kind of things and we fall in love with the people and we say, oh my god, their relationship nice. They're content creators.
And Rose is a she do the comedy.
But Jordan, you believe say Rosa catch feelings? Jordan says she believes say Rosa catch feelings.
No,
no
feelings. No.
Listen, me feel say Rosa catch feeling that woman and the boy makes you feel good. Come on.
But then, how you catch feelings to somebody where you don't even bless them with your eye yet?
Oh, yeah, enough people fall in love.
That's the situation, Ven.
Look here, why you think Rose come on the live and say she sit down and she reason with Jakes and tell him, but Jakes still not understand? Why you think the girl say she sit down and reason with him, say her work she do, and she sit down and she tell him whatever she want to tell him, say fishy can flow with what she do? She not, the girl not left her man, she not catch no feelings for nobody, and not take it out of proportion, I talk about feelings. Man get one look at 20,000, and I like say Rose no know money. She make sure she him say a joke in make.
Okay, so hold on. So last night
she asked him, she said $500 for one trip. And she said, alright, me give $300 out and you pay the two. If you show you said nothing to frighten the girl.
Rose and a Rose from Captain's Bakery this. Rose can get what she wants and a Rose choose to get what she know. She just get what she thinks she need. Rose don't fight. Why? Alright, if it was about money for Rose, why Rose wanna tell everybody to go buy him, go subscribe? She don't want the subscription money for herself, right?
But at that time they do too. So I know she's a planting somewhat, but woman easy to fall.
Not because she's a woman.
Hey, my people. May I tell you something? You see them game where them a play, where them a say, oh, man and woman game dolly oh, sitting on TikTok. A dangerous sitting, you know? I wonder if you don't know say a dangerous sitting. Yo, me tell you something, man. You see feelings are not something where you automatically, like manually, me say that. Yeah, me say manually. Feelings are not something you manually decide, say, yo, you want a feelings to that person, yeah? So, you turn on the feelings and have it for the person. That is something we just come on by you automatically by spending time around a person. So them game where them a play Rosealee and the youth there. Rosealee cannot develop feelings for the youth there, you know. Worse, he might treat her like no other man ever. How you talk about, man? People, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section because as we say a dangerous game, you know. Even Diamond cannot develop feelings to figure it out, you know, because Diamond love young boy, you know. You see me I say? So tell me what you think, my people. May I tell her, dangerous game now I play. You know what I mean? But I'm entertained.
Weak. I don't know who the guy is. I want to see the guy, them want to know, as we say yesterday, I want to see the guy, them just live life. Then the guy, them ready to settle down, and Rose don't want to play up. Rose know what it's about, it's fun. And let me explain a different from content.
Yeah, prank is different from content.
Prank is when them come and tell a lie to get money. Content are like the world dog and Switzerland them used to do. And Donna them their content and that's what Rose is doing. It's not a prank. So
it's content. I think it's content. I agree.
It's not a prank, it's content.
Yeah, I agree. All of it over here. Oh, Rose is in an emotionally abusive relationship. Like look into yourself sometimes. Like you know, like to see the outside and judge the outside, but you don't judge the. Listen, guys. Everybody in a relationship and everybody know what works for them. What works for Rose might not work for you. And what work for me now work for Rose. Because Rose don't tell us that she don't want a soft man.
Boy, it does make her whole demeanor change. She does more girly, she look more cute, just nice. Let me just love this Rose.
Okay, this is the honeymoon stage. This is the honeymoon stage. When this is all passed and this is all said and done, you think say this is gonna last forever, one man and this is how you gonna feel about a man all the time? Okay, it is not how
he's only doing it for the internet. That's it. People not understanding of nice like I'm saying say live see me and come live with me are two different
things.
And them see that upfront stop me and feel like to say yeah everything is gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be okay.
You say alright. Maybe alright, but for argument's sake, maybe say alright in them whatever, our relationship. For argument's sake. You think that Akeem is gonna be like this all the time? You don't think that this is how them is all the time?
No, sir.
Okay, that more ask. You don't think that this guy is like this? Because when we look at him, you know, me say love bombing. I see love bombing. That's what me say. Me say I look at love bombing.
Yeah.
You have to know the difference. You have to know the difference in love bombing when somebody because you see last night, you see that stunt the last night when pull last night.
Yeah.
I just think that was a bad thing to do when you go
Yeah.
put up a CD.
Yes.
That was horrible. That's why I tell say, Jakes is abusive and Jakes is this. If Jakes was the type of person, he could have ended up one whole different way last night.
Right. I mean, I said certain things just over. Yep. That was over.
Because now said Jakes is this monster, and I believe if Jakes was the monster when I saved me last night, we could have a completely different conversation this morning.
I can testify to that right now. We're in a like
hospital
because that was because me I put myself in my situation, and if I that my husband, me I tell you say, me like me don't know what happened this morning.
Yeah, me never like that. On drive got the people in here. That never nice. Mama say, girl, you not free.
That is why I say he take it never serious. Him take it serious than how Rose take it serious. And him take it serious.
That's why I say when a person love you, they have to know there are certain situations they cannot put you in.
Yeah.
It don't matter if you don't go in house, you go see you in go in neighborhood. You don't pull up to somebody.
That's
Lawyer, I have a question. How do we know this guy really love Rosalie? Because of the things that women do, not just jump up and ask him, so okay, love her.
That's what I guess. That's what they said. That's
no,
what
me love. Some of them people take this thing too personal.
That going to see you last night. That going to see you last night has nothing love. That never give love to me. That give me danger.
No man, lie. You see that stunt there? He knew what he was doing.
That's the dangerous part of the movie. TikTok liar, that's the dangerous part of the movie.
Okay, so they throw a wrench in the whole thing.
Actually, you know, so they come in a movie. That's part of the movie. Yeah, actually.
I part of the series.
You see, me watch the movie and me watch it with my eye open. And I watch it with it closed. Me know say that part of the dangerous part of the movie. The movie name bold and the beautiful.
But guys, I'm telling you, maybe just enjoy the series and not put too much into it.
Yeah.
Because if you don't put too much into it, that's when TikTok get it like we make it. Me see some people pass on live and argue about it. Me say no man, no reach us.
No, they
take the fun out of it.
Yeah.
Why don't take this thing so serious? It's not serious.
I don't think it's a prank. Even though she come over yesterday and she said, listen, we have fun. I don't know, prank. You know, like, I don't like this word.
Me now watch that. None about that entice me.
The one there Tubi. The one there on Netflix. The one there Tubi.
Yes, me love. Now watch it.
You know Tubi where they use the iPhone and do the movie them?
Let's make it clear, Diamond. I love Diamond.
A Tubi. If it was a Netflix, the Diamond one a Tubi.
Diamond Rose from Sheen.
No, I'm sweetie. But honestly, I said, but Rose one at least in a scene, it just organically happened. The Diamond one looked like it was it was somebody that searched out for it, and it's like every morning this person come out with this big, we don't call it something, the speech and the this and the that. It's
giving too much of a Rose and Akeem. She just one bit of Rose, and me not feel it. Not feel that at all. It don't even shake me. Yeah, then we can't watch them. It just seem it just very fake. It just fake.
It don't seem natural.
Yeah,
it seem natural.
Yeah, watch it. They don't recite it now. We can't deal with it. We can't watch about Rose as Rose go like some of them love.
So guys, it's a series and it's like, but me see some people really take it serious. Why people like to make take relationships like people meeting on the internet and people are vibe? Why not take it so serious? Why not take it so serious? No man not take this relationship thing too serious.
Good day, TikTok liar. It may say to them when I understand how them take the thing out of proportion. Everybody have opinion to say. Remember say this is a public something where the girl a do. Why them feel like to say Rose would have just embarrass her man just so. Just left him just so. You know the girls are TikTok crush, our TikTok boyfriend. I don't know why people feel like to say some love thing with them deeply in love.
It don't come like our work boyfriend. Exactly. You know people have a work boyfriend. It don't come like our work boyfriend. That's how me I look at it. Our little work boyfriend.
I don't know if them here when one at the time the brother did say the first time him come and talk about it, him say him and him brother plan to take somebody, the people them with the girl them with them a treat bad and treat them good. I don't know if them here when him said something like that.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he did say that. So all of the girl them with the apple them a treat bad, or whosoever, them a go just get somebody and treat them good. Okay. So them decide to pick Rose. Because Rose are one of the main person where everybody every time they want to attack her, fling her down, treat her bad, this and that.
I get what you're saying, John, but on the other side, Yeah, remember say Jake's the person. Even though if he might know it's a joke or whatever, remember say what if people take it serious, you know, and feelings are bring on feeling side. He might go feel some type of way. So remember, you know, yes, he go feel a way because sometimes they take it out of proportion. I would vibrate as something Rosalie when I do last time. I never think that appropriate. And just ever feel some type of way. And then now when time him go say something, she mute and then I cuss him. Oh, expect him to feel you.
So you think the vibrator thing was too much?
Yes, that's all. If on or whatever and you make TikTok on a whole, you know, kind of calm down for the negativity.
But you never, your friend never say, I want to hear your vibrator. You never like, you know, things like that. It's just like a friend saying to someone, let me hear your vibrator.
No, sir. Like, everybody know a vibrator sound like, come on.
No, everybody
know vibrator sound, and everybody use vibrator.
Yeah, but the sound of a vibrator. Everybody knows something sound when you vibrate. Come on.
I'm just saying, but you were saying you think that was overstepping the boundary, like she make him hear the vibrator. You think that was overstepping the boundary?
Yeah, a little. But overall, you know, the whole thing is nice and fun. Me like it. No negativity right now. I like that. You know, it make people smile. It make me couldn't sleep last night. Like what? It's fun.
So many people make a watch some more and then move on to the next. Tell more what you think in the comment section.
Me not like fun, but certain lines just not to cross. You know what I mean?
Alright, hold on. I mean, somebody said, does Jakes have feelings when Jake was cheating the whole time? I'm gonna keep saying Jakes a cheat. Alright, Jakes a cheat. Where did Rosalie go? She was right there.
Nowhere. I got them
I'm gonna can't come with no proof. I'm gonna say Jakes a cheat. I'm gonna can't come with no proof.
Liar, no woman out of them right mind. Now I gotta give them man bundles up front, so in her face, in the public. What is wrong with these people? You think the girl are idiot?
Guys, like, I think I take it too serious.
Yeah, them is taking it too serious.
I'm on Jamaican TikTok, I love diagnose people relationship, I love tell people about their relationship. I'm never looking at into you guys' relationship.
Guys, we don't
It was great.
Are they on live?
Yeah, bright on live.
Go see. Oh, you're frightened now.
Yeah, eat and hold on then put the ring in the cupcake and something and then nearly make you all throw because I didn't know say in there for real, like no joke.
In a cupcake you put man come on. Hey. Stop that baby.
Yeah, nice.
You didn't know say it's like putting a cupcake so when you bite it the ring in there.
Yeah, the ring did in the cupcake.
Imagine on the back down the bar, I broke off all my veneers them now. Nah, they could tag me for see them the moments there. If I want me there, I can't get a ring. So you go pan your knee now, then I get me for ring in a cake. You go pan your knee, you go pan your knee.
You go pan your knee, sir?
Everybody do their thing different still. Cause TJ up top boss did engage and he didn't go. TJ up top boss engage him then go pan you. So everybody do their thing different. Shy thank you baby. Yeah, no man no figure pan no knee.
Wi-Fi got in and out for true.
Shanty thank you baby Darren. Shanty no Darren thank you baby talk truth Anika. Everybody big up. Guys remember do your makeup tonight.
Guys. Work him double time.
Huh?
Yeah man, you come on my chat.
What?
Room looking nice.
One time.
Yeah. Oh, nurse. I see you, nurse. Nurse, what's up? Guys, use a double. Use it for your mother. Double, guys. Come on, guys. Double tap, baby.
Power top team.
Thank you, nurse. Pick up yourself. Nurse, what's up?
To the cartoon. Watch me sleep.
Hello, a TV.
Come on, team. We're trying to lead Steve. Be
Thank you, baby. Chrissy, thank you.
Oh, with a 10% now? Cute. Alive. Come on, guys. Double tap chat. So, double tap, guys.
We need
Room look nice. Thank you, Chrissy.
gun and a galaxy. We got 99 now. We need a money gun and a galaxy. We got 99 now. We're kindly getting up there.
Guys, double tap, guys. Look at his PT. Let me take a pin.
Chat, catch his speed, chat. Catch his speed. No, catch his speed. No, got it. Speed, no, got it.
We not catch no speed. Pretty high, thank you. Power tap chat. So when are the wedding? And I plan the date. For the wedding. Any date? Put on the slippers. Hold on.
Yeah, break up.
Any date yet for the wedding?
Yeah. No, we need a wedding planner. Somebody who can organize everything.
So that's blue. The team are gonna be blue then.
Blue, yeah, blue.
Blue. You're queen. Stop playing with me. Stop touch it. I'm not laughing with you. Listen to when your mother talk. You hear me? Alright, touch it back again and you say something to them. Touch it back again if you're in trouble. Don't back answer. Don't back answer me. Don't back answer. Don't back answer.
So people, I have a video with the cat woman saying Mika upon live, and the cat woman I say she want to talk to Annie because the series it a move too fast, because right away now people Annie them a look like them a make preparation for wedding, you know. And I just the day before yesterday the proposal go on, you know. You saw me I say yesterday, I didn't even remember, but it just happened. Seeing and them a make preparation already for getting married. Them didn't even celebrate the proposal good yet. And what is, man, this a move too fast, people. Yo, this a move fast. But like, tell more to think, I watch some more.
Alright.
Yeah.
Did you say you're hearing me? Come chat.
No speed, no come down.
Yeah, guys, wait, take back your one streak. Tonight she'll come out in our blue. Get down.
Everything about somebody be fix you. Hey, come out of this blood clot and fuck yourself with me here. Don't fuck yourself with me.
The guy's part up alive.
How about them drunk or jump up in my comment section like me care? Oh, Alex must come up here so.
Part up team.
My girl Annie, walk one baby, guys. Double tap, guys. Alright, baby. Love you no matter who. Talk true.
Mika.
What is?
Mika.
Yeah.
Remember that kiss sucker and you got like a share alone have man to blood clot. Boy, love you. I want to blood clot this.
Brother, pain. Body that easy now. Hello, oh my God. Of course.
And the things them.
That is it.
Walk back because you're going like say When I say, it was on TikTok, take my page, you hear them.
Guys, come play one more bunny. I'm gonna wash my dirty hair.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, me hear the
Just say I TikTok, Miss TikTok, about take my page, them.
That is it, baby. Don't worry about people beat you all day, all night.
TikTokers, them gonna come out, you know. I'll be a lion for any wedding day. Triple chat. Triple my team. Where is Ice Malik down there room with King?
Use it. Triple we went with private. I'll go with that too.
How that there? In favor of me, kind
boy, Alex.
and thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby. True. Thank you, Auntie Elma. Thank you so much, Queen. And thank you, Auntie. Guys, everybody, double tap, child. No, come here. Give me a minute.
One thing, our boy pretty, they love her, but can't take that.
You're a wonderful person. Thank you. Shana, I'm say because everything I get from me, so I'm not like that. Hey, when we do them stuff here now early, we have to look out, you know? Yeah, may I come. Everybody just organize themselves. May I come? Come on, chat. Double tap, guys.
Guys, it's Shanika. Me and Shanika play a match this month, the 20th.
Oh, gosh.
21st start.
And a wrong and me have it on a Chanel.
And the thing. Guys, send your daily art me chat.
Thank you. Well, a good one. See it here. Remember, see me have a control up here, so you know, you have always remember that.
Black them Annie when they bomber clad chat. Push up a score.
Oh, Kitty.
So Mika wedding I go on?
Yeah. Them are prepare for them are perfect.
So Mika, we don't think back too fast.
Wedding, I know my life, you know, I'm not gonna stop anything to make me seem like my bad mind or anything like that. Me just a support.
Understand. Understand.
Guys, we can get 3 rows shot.
Chat 2 rows.
Guys, we can get 3 rows. 3 rows shot. 2 more shot. 2 more. Just say thank
talk
you.
to my friend Annie.
2 more shot.
Chat 1 rows. You gotta tell Annie I like this series it move so fast. Series a move fast, man.
Got 2 more rows.
Chat, come make we use a dub here.
2 more rows shot. 2 more rows. I'm like when I smoke over here. Just come on anyway, so we lose. That's why I go. When you don't come in, just support you. Ashley Bestie, come on flying. Just say thank you.
You know where me I run from, chat? Me I run from Annie if you go spend up in money for wedding and when you look in a workout. You might go divorce. Cause one serious thing that you know. More Annie focus and finish the house first before you go think about wedding. But Annie man, Annie fi behave herself, you know. Chat, double chat. You know say Annie fi behave her blood clot self.
Me now put me out tonight.
Chat double.
Guys, come on, we can get some tops.
But then for serious if you talk to my friend, you know, cause I like Annie, you know, me not bring her down. I not bring down me I do, you know, chat. Me not want to feel like me I bring down Annie. Annie is a nice person to me. So me not disrespect her, bring her down, but me just want she have.
Let's say thank you for the rose.
Me just want she have an open understanding that marriage is very serious and it's no joke. And she have to think about if that's what she want, and if you see a long term there, and she have to know if she get to know the person much more. It's so much to it, and not just okay, me go marry him, come like him. Because if all I would it for marry a young boyfriend when we have come from school, though would I left a young boyfriend, right?
Alright, my people, I run through this, I don't chat too much, so we are going to watch some more of this and then we'll go over to Annie and Eldino.
No? Who did that with that young boyfriend there right now? Well, not saying everybody, because what if people
they with them high school boyfriend and have family now. But when we are grow up as young people, what would I divorce right now? So at the end of the day, me no want Annie feel like me I bring her down. This is not about bring down. This is about woman empowerment of talking to her and make sure you have a better understanding that you have to know what you want. You can't just say okay then me I go do it. Me I go married. I want serious alabalu that. Cause if you go married and then divorce next month, I want wicked sitting. Marriage I want real something to, you know. Marriage come from in the Bible, you know, from God, you know. You understand? A destruction anyone cast down upon himself when he got married and then divorce and the whole you can't bother him, man.
Chat we now, but when Kitty, you know.
Me like Annie chat. Me like Annie. Me like her vibe. Me like everything. And I'm not bringing her down. I just don't want Annie to rush the series so fast about marriage. Me don't want that for Annie. Want
You
Annie.
put up in it, was it that's our baby father before? You know, no, more my father and mother. Take up in it.
I know you them attack on me.
Oh, you, no, did.
You know,
so
pay them no
mind.
Yeah, them, you know, pay them no mind. What chat, mind chat, them mama did blood clot breed for their uncle. Our uncle are for them father. You
believe?
By chat,
Jews, everybody.
Cause you big up yourself, chat. Alright, my babes, go and go do your thing.
Me go jump.
Them come suck me. All of them over there to blood clot. But that's all you can talk about, you know, baby father. All you can talk about baby father. That's all you can talk about with me, you know. Man, no baby father. Then baby father where? Uno no see promise birthday yesterday. Uno no see say she na her Lamborghini. Uno no see she have her chain around her neck. Uno no see say she get her educational ties them. She have whole heap more back home in Maryland. You know no see say promise cake buy dress well sweat everything. Uno no see say promise alright. So the blood club baby father go. Uno come suck me. Promise no shot or nothing. Uno just don't want the truth. I only want to see the woman sinking at hole and then turn around and cuss and class the woman. Uno moving a blood clot. I can't say she can't do with the boy because I fear her whole, I fear her mind, I fear her life. But at the end of the day, marriage is a serious something and we don't want, when you look, oh God, I need to go creep over his shoulder. The marriage part I get too serious now. So I feel like she can leave that series there.
And look on it, me and him a friend. Me push out Eldino on the media. Me make sure say Eldino say my music in do. Right? I'ma try to do everything with Eldino so he can push himself. You understand what me I say? I know them I go call my name say me and Eldino there. You get what me I say? And yeah, what you hear say? Eldino tell her. Eldino tell her. Him say it. What on the way say? Him say it for true. Fluffy. He said it on live. What Eldino say on live, guys? It's true. Him. Me boy. Mr. Eldino they live. My blood clots. Jesus Christ. Guys, when him say it, screamer card out there. It was a prank. Call him. Mika. Akiwak. Which part Mika there? Yes, sir? No, sir. Me before me start chatting, I want proof. Eldino live. So me not see him. No, see me. To get to the conversation here now, right? Because I don't know oh such unfortunate. Soon as me and my man in a house, this now, right? You and D the phone and argue. This what the argument come up now. Me hear Kasha say to me. No, me I get for understand say you will say it. Or you tell Jayden and Jabba say me and you have sex. How it go?
Annie, me I tell you, Annie, me a big man. Stop follow people, yeah? Stop follow people and then fuck you, bro. If I saw be the case, dog, me I just chill by myself and not friendly with nobody.
Me no beef this. Me ask you a question. So why you get so offensive?
Nothing like that. Nothing
so
like that.
Why you get so offensive when I ask you?
Because me tell you that foolishness, bro.
What do you mean by you tell you that foolishness? You don't mix up like anybody else.
Meaning, listen to Annie. Yeah, listen to me. Annie, listen to me. As a big woman to a big man, stop follow people.
You gotta tell me about. Look here, see something jump up.
Stop follow people, yeah. Stop follow people, bro. And that me don't like. Me I forget ignorant because people call up my name and mix me up and deal with a bag of fuckery, bro. I'm there so easy. I make my money and deal.
Me hear it from Kasha. Kasha look at me and tell me say you're there on live and you did tell people like say me and you fuck.
Well,
so now you come talk to me about me a big woman and you a big man.
Well, listen to me. Anybody when you Kasha, listen to me. I say Annie. The see somebody when you Kasha can go suck out them mama. Or make them go walk off a cliff, go near more them big pussy mama. Go suck out them mother. Bro, me go kill somebody in a dog. Me go murder somebody in a dog, cause people don't know me in a youth. If you stop calling me name, bro. Cause me send a girl up a D, go chew some pandy up there. Stop me people calling me name, dog. Cause me know in a people, bro, you saw me a hold me one forward here, dog, I do what me do.
It's screen recorded. Yeah, screen recorded. Well, me I go see the screen recorded. Anyway, reason why you see me not jump up and talk certain things right now because I really want the whole percentage of want proof.
But the end of the day, Annie, you should have known better, bro. You should have known me, Annie.
You see me?
You know me, Annie.
Listen to me. You saw me I talk to the people them, me say to them say, wonder if at the time one time me and you run the prank. Them said no, I know that the time there. You understand me? I say me have people keep on come back and say to me say, Annie, you think I know? I don't know, you know. No, but I see when then you and D are cussing. Well, I never me make you talk, you know, so make me talk to you, bro. Right? You think because you and D argue? No. I first me hear it, and I first me hear it, so you call me name and tell people say me and you there. I mean you have sex.
Annie.
See me? No, Annie. They know. Boom, so you want D the pan line now start cause now D I go say you tell her say me and you fuck bro G.
Because she want people to believe say me and you do things. Nothing like that, bro. They are one bumbuckle and liar dog. Oh, she never come out with that long time. First thing she come to me and say Annie tell her say me and her fuck. Me put Annie tell her say me put her pan back.
Boy my people, Annie lock down the internet still, you know. Annie and everybody have sitting there going right now. And they lock down the internet with people. Big man thing. Jaja. So, more action on this. So, don't feel like say, Annie and the youth here, do they do? Tell me in the comment section with people. Tell me if you don't think Ima Annie do they do. Because if so much people are say, Ima talk like that go on. That means something like that go on, man. You know what I mean? Although I'm not quick to believe people still, you know. But we know anything.
No shall come and say me tell her that. You know like me and Dino time, me and Dino have a friend. I told her D jump up on the live and me I say D, me and your enemy same way. You say me I say dog. But do you want somebody for circle or blood club?
Guys, anybody in the one I screen recording them?
Bro.
If anybody said, me go type them.
Bro.
Me not go argue with a person until me see it for myself. Because I go for the proof, you know.
Bro.
Yeah. And that's what I miss. Because
Charge, you know,
first time I see it. But look how funny it is. I did everything that say, you know, I mean, I said, but why you just know them and come up with an argument here?
If people try bring me down, dog, at that type problem, dog, them not like me because them can't.
But you act like you're not understand because I look at you and I ask you a question, so where you jump up and I go on so far? Where you jump up and I go on so far at the end of the day?
Bro, I'm mad for a man in that because I know why if you follow people, if you know me, Annie, if you know me, bro, if you know, so me now go do certain things. If you even come to me, say, if you come ask me, say this because you know, say that's not true, bro.
Listen to me, Eldino. Me say this is not the first time me hear it. I'ma come and ask you in front of your face. If you call up my name, I say me and you have sex.
Annie, me will never call up your name. Me will never call your name for them fuck with it. Me will never call your name for them fuck with it, bro. Remember me, I'm a woman in a dog. Remember me, I'm a woman in a bro. My woman watch me live in a bro.
Bro, so now me. Well, and then when your woman feel like say me and you there, bro, no me. Me and me not talk to your woman, me and your woman no good.
Adapt me talk, bro. Adapt me talk about on the live. Adapt. Why them skip out all of that and I come tell you live about other things? That's what me I say. A problem them want. A problem them want. You feel like people who don't want to see me and you stop talk because that where the other TikTok name? Whole heap of them want that. Other every day them come to me with Ziggy and all of them come to Annie now use me, Annie this and Annie that and Annie so disrespect me and Annie that. And that they want, bro. You see me I say? For what they hear them I say? Oh, my fall off for Annie now do nothing if you keep me up. Annie no sister my fall off to try to get me back up there. Annie no rate me, Annie no this and me not pay attention to them fuck with them. Because me know say them thing they not true, bro. That's why me I say, bad man, I don't even really care about TikTok one night time because TikTok now give me money when I want to work, a business. And me now go bring me business when I do pan TikTok charges. That's why me I say. Me just go pan TikTok one day, I think me I drive, a 2 car my own, a house and land me I deal with now, me there. People don't know we are really who. I have talk we are really who more can police follow we down, bro. I'm bother we like how them tear up the dog shirt what they are and go out with a bag of things over there party my dog. And I stop chat with bro. People don't know we bro. People see we people don't know we dog. People don't know we bro. Oh, people don't know we dog.
If you just start talking with you, so no me there.
I never pan out, you know, she say, yo, Dad, I like you, you know, years, I like you, blinga. You see me, I say, so I say, alright then, mama, if you like you done, we can make something happen certain way. You see me, I say, alright then. Me and mama, so I go to mama, me give mama WhatsApp, you see me, I say, remember, no, is this woman coming on my, Papa, leave the day I go home alone. Obviously, sister, I want if you call me here, like, bam here, bro. Let me tell you. Remember, now listen to me morning. I see, when me hear me, oh, look, people, talk to me. Now, this woman coming on my inbox, be honest. Make a reason now. Make a reason. Don't you see coming on my inbox, people? You're going to hear me put any argument to this woman. The woman says she like me long time, bro. See, free. My love, shit. So me give her my WhatsApp, right? I see text first. Alright, boom. See, when time me give her my number, see people, pre-know. When time me give her my number, me give her my WhatsApp. Me don't even give her my personal number, me give her my WhatsApp. You see me, I say, alright, baby. WhatsApp me. You see me, I say, if I saw, I saw. If I saw. Deal with it. You see me, I say. Mama goes to her inbox me, see? When mama inbox me on the gram, when this, every woman turn is like, it had a fuck up like, girl, see? That shit. Good. Stop. What time I give the woman my number, she WhatsApp me. I say me thanks. I know mama, me that fix.
One little piece of shit just come turn on him car music for me. But here I go on now, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We are watch some more. Dan, I go get his face tear off by a man who Dan want to take away man woman to blood clot.
Mommy, that fix it. Me give the woman my number, see? Remember, you know? This woman inbox me, people. Remember now, you know? Me. Let me tell you when we get this inbox, but a week ago. A week? Probably about a week ago, you see me? So what time more? I think the first time she texts me, when? Sunday? She texted me on Sunday, see? Boom, I start to go some woman and reply back to mama and she say, yo, her name is so and so and Ray and Tay and between me and you, with somebody coming in your inbox and pursue you in this way, you not think to ask them, say, yo, you don't expect somebody to deal with somebody for brawling, say, in the inbox. So, of course, you know, really, you know what I mean? So just that I go and text and she work here, so she work there, so and you know, she don't know my things set already and me and her text and gone down in a text and mommy send me a one pussy and thing and the pussy in her phone I go and marinate and thing, you see me? And me I say, yo, you see me? In a way, me and her, we not there because at the end of the day, me never meet this woman yet in my life, you understand me? I will just a chat you know and sit and she have kind of she have kind of bro. Remember no. This watch woman, bro. Watch woman different how they move. You see what I say? You see how you text me and them things that me can know see you have your woman or your man or whatever the fuck you deal with. You see me? Certain time you not text me, you hardly have time. Yo, watch them look at things and me and say, oh, it look like she have a little time slot where she drop me now. That never did not pressure my brain too tough. Cause I like say me want mama or me don't want nobody at this point. You feel me? Me celebrate and me just go and structure my life. You feel me? I did me good. Me don't want a relationship, bro. Me good. You see me? Me don't want nobody to give a fuck about. You see, pray. So pray now. This morning me blood clot with a cloud. Me get a voice note. Instant when me get the voice note sound shaky. And the girl I said to me say, me in again, you want you tell me do I say, what you talking about? That the voice note of me said, I say, what you talking about, Bigo? She said me back a text, she said, just tell me what we are doing. You see me, I say, I don't really do nothing still. Me I go and chat, you see me, I say, same time when the phone start to ring now. The phone a ring now, say, that the phone ring, me blood clot. Me rather company that say pussy. When me tell you this sodomite girl, Barry instantly in a Barry. I saw me Barry, instant Barry me in a Mr. Barry me nearly ball Barry. Remember this the man say sodomite girl. First of all now, I don't know this person. I don't know him. You understand me? Oh, me come push me knife in your idiot sodomite girl. Anyway, then me come find you and come tell me some things. Tell me some things that I'm going to do to me. You feel me? All on the dirty stinking sodomite girl. See people, woman, and run up in their woman. Feel like someone can yam everything from people and rare. Me see you Jamaica boy, I deal with me cool, you know. Pussy, me shoot me knife in the anyway, me see you rare. God know, me never answer him, bro. When the man I deal with me, so bro, me never answer the man none at all. Me not go tell him, say me dip on the phone and say, oh yo, no, go suck out your mother and blinga, and my friend them bother, yo, me out here shoot people. Dog, me never say nothing, cause instantly me feel weird on myself. Cause what this mama set me up to come? First of all, bro, me not even did a chat to your girl, me G. Me not know if you watch me live them, you know of me or anything. You see a bitch? She come blood clot text me in my inbox and you read them the message, bro. I am not following up your bitch, me G. You understand me? And she has said what she has said and me a bust a boom. And the dog cuss and he cuss and me a try calm down the man. Me try tell the man, me I say, bro, me celibate. You understand me? I deal with celibate. girl pick the life, bro. Una have a relationship them, bro. Una stay on a bumbuckler relationship them, bro. Allow people, me G. You see me? Una girl pick me, una know that me now on self, bro. Every day una get up my friend and I try make it look like a man this and man that gonna dog shit in a real life. Yeah. Una know it now on self. So una have a man on the yard, una have a girl on the yard, una have all on a blood clot relationship. But una come take up people, pick me and put in her arms, blood clot way. You know, na madness, me G. You see me? What if that the little man, what if the girl didn't know which family live? And the man said to her, say, yo, bring me round at Danny yard. The man could have come and come kill me off and do me all kind of blood clot. Una must stay now on a blood clot relationship, them man. You hear me telling you, G?